Given that y is inversely proportional to x squared, and that y equals 8 when x equals 0.5, find an expression for y in terms of x. So let's have a look at this then. So y is inversely proportional to x squared, so that means proportional to 1 over x squared, doesn't it? So what that means is that y is equal to k lots of 1 over x squared, which is just k over x squared, where k is a constant. So that's what we've got then, and we're told that y equals 8 when x equals 0.5. So let's put that in then. Y equals 8, x equals 0.5 gives, so let's put y equals 8 in, equals k over x squared, so that's 0.5 squared, isn't it? Which is equal to k over 0.5 squared is a half squared is 0.25. Now if we look at 8 equals k over 0.25, move this up from divide to times. So 8 times 0.25 is equal to k. So we've moved that up from divide to times on the other side. And now let's just read it from right to left. 8 times a quarter, tap it in the calculator if you need to, k equals 2. So find an expression for y in terms of x then, is what it asked us. So y is equal to k, which is 2 over x squared. Okay, use the expression you found in A to complete the following table. So when y is 800, what does x equal here? And when x is 0.2, what does y equal? Well, this one's easier, isn't it? So x equals 0.2 gives y is equal to 2 over x squared, isn't it? And x is the value 0.2, so put that in, 0.2 squared. So let's tap that in the calculator then. 2 divided by 0.2 squared, 50, so y equals 50, so we can put that in our chart then, here, and the value is 50. Okay, so when y equals 800, let's put that in there, which is slightly more awkward, and that gives, so 800 then is equal to 2 over x squared. So now we'll move the x squared from divide up to times to be with the 800. So 800x squared equals, move that up there, and it equals 2 then. And then move the 800 down. So x squared can stay as is, the 2 stays as is, and the 800 moves from times to divide, which is equal to 1 over 400, isn't it, if we want to write it like that. Square root both sides then. So we can either square root this number or square root 1 over 400. So square root of 1 divided by 400, put that in, equals 1 over 20, 0.05 as a decimal. So we can put that in here in our table. 0.05 is the x value.